Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentah kasi Shillong. Dan kam sasan perton ki pulit hak election MDC. Shakhang kerdep ka MSPCB riu tadi ki karkhana na bernihan. Tigna Samla pensngan bandrung hakakam sorkar. Ban yad bed kamare physical efficiency test bandrung kam pulit. Babentah ini apa sih Khubor ke bakamnya? Nagbentah ban yad bed yad renti ke election MDC hak Khasi Hills, uba Vivix im SP ke Nega District, ulaong ba don kam kerke sasan perton ki pulit, namar ki dan lai pusau teli ki polling station ki bala ban mi ke huri hura, bat santeli ki badan hak jingnya klit kat ba nang telun kepor perta election. Ka East Khasi Hills District ke dan kendai spa lai puwai teli ki polling station. Kajing pet ngor kajing apa hara hakeleng ki jaka kilong ki bajur hadu bandar dep kajing tap vote habarok kawe ke distrik hak arpawai terik rempang ulong. Ki pulit kila yokem arngut ki satar ki bala berngem pan penbethai bom haki babun ki jaka hasor Shillong. Yakini arngut ki bala suba ba berngem bersit bande yakini ki kam sneu ensa pen biang na dong shadong yaki jingdon kam katkum ki kendon an hayeng kasari ulapan kun.
Well, the law and order situation is very much under control. It is peaceful right now, and we have no reports of any clash or conflict. As the days run by, we'll be getting additional force, and there'll be about 5 companies which will be deployed in East Khasi Hills in toto. That means including polling stations, vulnerable areas, critical areas, mobile patrols, strategic, tactical patrols. So that'll cover in the 5 companies. We actually strengthening our night NAKAs. That means night checking. There's a lot of intensified mobile patrolling and foot patrolling at night, and even during the day in certain pockets. So to ensure that things are peaceful, things are under control, that the public are safe. As of now, we're taking it day to day. There are a lot of public functions and campaigns which have started in different pockets of the district, and our people are manning those places. Things are very much okay. Yes, the person has been arrested. We identified the person. We've arrested the person. Along with him, another accomplice of his has been arrested also. And a case has been registered. We'll be charge sheeting the case shortly.
Is he related to any group? Or
No, we're trying to establish that.
Yeah.
No. They're from us, our own state police only. They will be deployed as in, 3 platoons have already been there. So other platoons have already been there. So there'll be, for the polling stations, we'll be needing those many people. Say about 3 companies and all that. Wherever there's vulnerable and critical.
Hakasau terik rempang arhajar arpusan ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kalakhang kerdep riu teli ki karkhana ki badan habernihat ribhoi district namar kilapan kenya ki kendon an jaga Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB. Habaya keran Shakilar Pathai Khubor, Chairman ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board R Malay IFS urayat ho. Kini ki hinriu tli ki karkhana basha khang kerdep di ki officer jangka Meghalaya Pollution Control Board ki kentop ya kini harum. MS Siam Century Ferros Limited Ferroalloy, MS Khasi Alloys Limited Ferroalloy, MS SR India Bioproduct Private Limited Re-Rolling Mill, MS Pawan Castings Meghalaya Private Limited Re-Rolling Mill, MS FW Ferrotech Private Limited, MS Ingot and Re-Rolling Mill, barka MS Nalari Ferroalloys Private Limited Ferroalloy. Shusho Chairman ke Meghalaya Pollution Control Board ulaong. Kadau kajing khang kerdep ya kini ki karkhana kadai na kajing bam bu renti iki kendon an balabo da Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat kajing bamla bante lakam ya kajing mi kala air jabo na kini ki karkhana.
Recently have gone for inspection and they found out there are many industries are not meeting the pollution norms, and not compliance with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board. And based on that, we have closed 6 industries which in Banihat area, and out of which two have been already imposed a nominal compensation also. The reason for issuing closure notice is non-operation of pollution control device and non-transmission of online continuous emission monitoring system, and the exceedance of the pollution limit obtained from the online continuous emission monitoring system, and inefficiency of pollution control device installed. These are the reasons we have issued earlier, and they have not complied, and based on that we have issued closure notices. Now it has been closed. We have 41 industries. 41 industries in the Banihat, sorry, not in the Meghalaya, it is in Banihat area. So red categories are 5, orange categories are 22, green categories are 14, the total 41. Out of which red categories are potentially polluted industries, and orange categories are little less, and green categories are very less. Category out of 5, 3 industries which are non-operational, 2 are in operation, but based on our inspection we found that they are having some they are not meeting the siting, they are not meeting the pollution norms. So we have issued the closure notice with a time. We have issued the show cause notice with a time to comply. So this time we have given, so that once they submit a report, and if they don't comply with that, then we have to issue closure notice and further action.
Responsible.
So actually, this is the data they collected from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at CASPOS, the training academy, the Assam side. That is the data. Whereas we have 4 ambient air quality monitoring station located at different locations in Meghalaya. One is at EPIP area, one is in 15th mile and 17th mile Khasi killing area. So out of which 3 stations of the data source, it is satisfactory. 1 is moderate. So our only 3 are within the permissible limit. 1 is beyond the permissible limit. Some actions to be taken. So this is our status of the pollution from Meghalaya side. But now the most polluted city of Banihat is which has flashed in the newspaper and all, based on the data which has been recorded from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at Assam side at CASPOS.
How many industries are there in the
Menteri Rangba Konrad K Sangma hakasan tarik rempang lengba ka video conference bad Samla pensngan kurba. Samla ublakur ya kata kemarnong beningkong nagbenta ka Jylla haka National Games kabadang yat menta ha Uttarakhand haka jengya kop King Liang. Ulakular ban penrung ya haka kam sorkar kumshi benta ban pentrekam ya ka sports policy ka Jylla. Samla pensngan kurba ulara ya tak kemarnong haka jengya kop King Liang haka National Games kabadang long ha Jylla Uttarakhand. Hakajuk kapor Menteri Rangba ulaya ro bat kublai kerpang ya kinong hikai jong Samla pensngan kiba kentup ya Ian Vincent coach bat team manager Sheila Vincent kibalaya lam ya Samla pensngan kurba banra ya katak marnong hakani ka lumpung ya lekai jong kari India.
So I take this opportunity first of all to congratulate our young hero Pensngan Kurba for winning the bronze medal in the national games. So really you have made all of us really proud. We are very happy and very proud of you, and it is a result of all the hard work that you have put in. So really we are very, very proud of you, and I want to congratulate you on behalf of the people of our state. And of course I also would like to congratulate Sheila and Vincent, Ian and Sheila for all the work that you have put in the last many years. I've been to your place, we have sat down a couple of times, I've seen the kind of work that you've been doing, and really this is I'm sure the most proud and satisfying moment for you. I'm sure many more to come, but this is a beginning. So I congratulate Ian and Sheila and the entire team that has really worked very hard to make this happen. So I really once again take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. At this point in time, I'd like to ask Pinchanai if you want to say something. How do you feel? Yes, Pinchanai, how do you feel?
I'm feeling happy, sir.
That's good. Would you like to say something?
Thank you for the support and all, sir.
Very good. And Ian, Shilla, you'd like to say something?
Yeah, same. Thanks so much, sir, for your support. Without your support, we wouldn't be here at all. And so, thanks so much, and please continue with that.
Sure.
And there's a lot of potential here in Meghalaya.
So, Pinchanai, I also have one more good news for you. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you so that you have security and in the future because you have done us all proud and you deserve it, and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy which we had passed, and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy.
Hadirin balapan sange hakawat baningkong ya ke examine physical efficiency test PET hau benai no pra arhajar arpusau na kadaw ka jing bambiang ki kor Khubor ka recruitment board jang katunat pulit ka lapan long biang hakasin baar hau klalengkot arhajar arpusan hasan teli ki jaka ki badang yat hadu kini kisngi Unong lum Khubor na kaway ka center kapadon hanong ba Shillong ha 1st Battalion MLP Mauyong hakasan tarik RYMPHANG kabaday ru ka jaya kun PET bakaddu na kabanta ki shenrang layo I baka jing penmare ka yat bet yat renti klem don shu kanu ka jing thud ki khna ki baya kun ya ka PET ru ki lapan pau ka jing kmen na marha ka ni ka kenti ka ru kom penyat ka biang lut nadong shadong ki laong Habai kran bang chairman jangka recruitment board Meghalaya Police Dalton P Marak IPS Assistant General of Police ubam shemtre ban kran haga kamera ulaong kamdon shu ka jing thut kum hakasin bandingkong kani ka jing penlong ya ka PET kalayat bet yat renti bat amla yo kanu ka jing ujor na ki Samla ki baya khun ha kani ka kenti Ulaong ba ka jing deko ka dantang hakapor bagi khana ki bakla ban nyau hakapor bagi mare namar don na pedeng jengki ki ba penkut no tang hapo khat saw round haka jaka ban penkut khat san round ka jing mare
Ngohun ban diat pengala diat ban yo ban pendap no ya ka pet jonga alis mentang yo ban krek ya ka written exam jonga so pet no ndong ai sim ro ya barok di bara mare kon Samla ji khasi blok yang mah we bala yo ta kecinya yo ban yo lat akan ya kecinya dek thap kam kudet so baro hi bikin tio bikin koi sa thong de tak style ya cuma em yang pat mi la min up ta na sidap mare ta kadang sai RBJ yang sayo ya bab sa sini sebar kecing I jonga kecing sem jonga tang I kapiang ti I ka yai bet ya renti kam don chung thut I ra pat mi ra mi apa ada apa result kalau bi try mi kamu je try result lai beje ta hi rimra last sama lai beje mun habde with ke AB you excellent I'm excellent kham bas cepat kamar ya kamu berbahasa tolong setangkar tintas. Hai. Oke.
So kuno halo kajin kapian mare ebi bat mentak kapian mare kai kajin so kamla ha kai ben yang pementa tempat tit mara klumpet beje minit mana per mare da waktu sih dengan ped datang mesti tinggi result menta deh ped sang result kan mang menang ngata kapian ini mentas itu yang mentak kapi yang mentak aja terus ini ada tempat tip yang menjadi yang mana yang beje
Ahmad ke iro kam yuta nda kam langsung tu ini perbo marek mah ba kam yo luar ta em nak lang tengah ta biang kadon gaji bom bai em yam taksi ta kajimar biang mah
Plong mentasi tuan sini yo men step mentasi plong yo men si kedunan plong tai ya. Kam mentasi kam shit mentasi dah lihat.
kalau nur ko peniat ka biang
Kabiang.
ko peniat kom kom
Hal tu sien ngamnang hi bentong nomor ba ngim 4 wan marek pi tu sien 4 day. Ni dang wan mentah kan ni bepen long wat bar sien. Hal ki so dah pi so la de.
ha ba haju tes hasnong de ba tes ba hi islam ba tes ka biang hi hasnong tempat kentip hani te dawan hani ka ba ka madan tip balai kawan tahi kam la haji ka tes hasnong gen dawan hani te man re kembali ben la hasnong tu de ba ka jing kermen te ka don hi nomor mo la tes te tahi di kermen te don baik piong pilai result pada apa ni deh te pisiam kuno apa deh ber company jung company te minta ka abiang piu i kuno ber katu ko le sisien ber kani balik minta kadon ka jing ya per katu ka bala dep pen perspon lisen
Kino yalam ke HYC ka santare kila RYMPHANG Kilayathu yo Commissioner and Secretary Education Vijay Kumar halor ke advertise balami haka arpulai tarik kelalengkon da ka Meghalaya Recruitment Board naga bentaki post assistant professor but lecturer haki subject khasi but garo but kiwe de. Education Secretary ke HYC ulaong kat kum kane ke advertise la tho ba kidon khandai tadi ki post ki balai haka subject khasi kawe ka post la bha ka open category kat ba sautali la bha na ka banta ki khasi but sautali na ka banta ki garu ulabu jingkeli but pan jing penshai na u Commissioner and Secretary Education kumno ka MRB ka bu bha ka subject khasi na ka banta ki garo but na ka banta ka subject garo kan bu bha na ka banta ki khasi halor kani ka phang u Commissioner and Secretary Education ula kular hakinong yalam ke HYC ban penbait no kloy.
Kadang open kategori kebumut ba lamang yang baru aki kenhuan jadi kontup iki dekat rumah hani lamang sipus nam taki general kategori but saupus lamang nam taki khasi jentia garo but saupus lamang yaki garo kontup ru hani apa ke garo kategori subjek garu hangniru dan spotri ki post but hangniru lambang haka open kategori gawe ke post nata haka kasi jentia kategori sau post garu sau post but ki ada ST gawe post kejengkeli jong kasang abangi yo pani kedua yo sekretari jong ketenal education taksi kolong ba ina panjing syai ba kumno ka nakaliang jong kami Meghalaya Recruitment Board kala bu ya kini reservation hakini ki artikel subjek mar bagi tip syai ba numdan kena kasi ban pendap ya master degree hak subjek garu ba numdan ro kena garu ban pendap ya master degree hak subjek kasi nang taru numdan ro udukhar ubala ban pendap ya master degree hak subjek kasi lani udukhar ban pendap ya master degree hak subjek garu jika jengkeli kasang kalong ba le iri semut le ayu la numdan kini ki kandidat ya kabalamang ada dai nagi garu ada dai nagi open category dari naklang ju commissioner ulah batai ini bakani ka advertisement ke bala publish ni kadai ba naklang ka Meghalaya Education Recruitment Board kalau follow ya kapatan jongka roster system beda selection policy rai kila yo pat la punshai ni ba naklang ju department hadin ba naklang ju kasang taksi kalau yo bani kedua ba tempat ju syai ba buruk ya kedak jengkeli ha ko bida ba kani ka advertisement naklang secretary jong ketenat education unsa Shemi kanika ya kanika bentah kanika isu ya kepada berat kesan menyekan ke personal department pendek hak keluar ba khadi advertisement baru ni tip syai ba uru long ba tip syai ba dan kita ki kandidat diberi ki khasi kategori kini segaru dan ki garu kategori kini khasi but andara khad ya kita interview stage nak kalian ka tenat education department dekat kami kerja education recruitment board bisa thua ya ka kisapan ka approval pendek lebih andika jibha ya ki bos lebih subjek khasi ba subjek garu ya keren kanika jo ke isu bat nakaliang jo commissioner jo tenat education ila ai ka jingkular ke baskam ni mana kalian jo ko system kya halor bidai bat kanika advertisement pendek marduar but ban khang kan bu dak jingkumar bakadak jingkli khamtam ki candidate ki bere na ka kasi jadda category
ke iPhone yang pak
ngi kham iPhone nomor kan ka advertisement kan kini ka jukhat advertisement halor kini ki post kan kot au arti utrek February dah hadin ke jong kan ini sa follow up yang nak liang jong kesang pada ada gilap kim sim la penbet kat kum ka jingkular kat kum ha ke jing kedua cuni buat sekretari jong education nak liang kesang ka siapa dak ki senjam hak bade buat kan advertisement yang pelan dekat media education document buat
di kau akan nak advertisement bamata ban penbet nak ne ke ban sawan penbet
ya kan ni advertisement kat kum ke jing tu jong commissioner jong ka sekretari jong ka transaction orang baik ya kan ni la prepare kat kum ka roster system nak limba ke personal department ndrai ki nak liang ka education department kan sa thor sa ka personal
Kaseng United Democratic Party UDP hakasan tarik rempang kala pelat ba arpau tili kimat trekam bakat mu ban pentrekam lada kawan hakabor sensyar hak HADC bat JHADC hakani ke election MDC ban Shillong. Yakini kimat trekam kaseng UDP lapan benapat ba adu senior working president ba Polungdo hakajing dan lang working President ba Tito Starwell Khan bat ki kertong na KHADC bat JHADC. Haba ajingkran ha kani kasngi uba Tito Khan ula batay ya ki mat ki bahak mat jaka parti ki bakentup ya ka jingpen Khubor ki district council upod usam ka jingken tiu ya ki riulom trairi ka parti kan persya ya ka uniform civil code banwan ra ka sensyar khadar bakhuit basuba banwat lat ban pen Khubor da ka an ya ki hima elaka kirat bat kishnong ban perking ka jing I trading license ka jing pen klan ya ki yeng kashari ban pen klan ya ka platengka jang ki council ka jing pen trekam ya ka anchna building by law bat ban penne pensa ya ki riti ki dustur
le ngila sedang bat nginang follow up nginang penklan susu nginang penwandur susu hakisnem ibanwan kita kat tu kat ni ki mat ki bang akwa ban kedau bat kumjuru habede bat ka khuit ka suba bede bat kamarian kedai kan ni ka isi hapo ka UDP ka belawan ra ya ka solid waste management act kan ni ka act kalong kumno banwan ra ban penkhuit ban nong kisnong ki ba khuit ki ba suba dei lang ba ka ka bang iwan ra tak kadau ngalak bat ong hani kiwe kidang mudur ngingila dia kiwe kidang ong bagi kemu ngingila dia ngila sedang ye kakam ram jungi menta kalong baladang ngilet yang supai ba da dupai ba dan ji dingi MDC baladang iwan yang hak council bagi nang penbha su iki dia bagi nang lek su iki dia kata ka dingi tu habe dei ba karoi kapar hakisnong di thau dei ka isi por ka UDP ka balawan ra ya ka village and town development council act kani ka act kalau pen kere lupa ya ka direct funding ka central government kalau kere nakapor banwan ra ka grassroots governance akaba pen klanya gisnong kita bijungi ban yo ya ka direct funding hadien bala amen ya ka 6 schedule ngilan yang kejonga ko nong elam akaba ngilai what should Delhi ban ya keren sepang ka amendment ya ka 6 schedule ni persya ya ka jing penrung ya kita ki 100% right ka amendment ya ka 6 schedule ya keren sepang ka seat ya keren sepang ka board ka banginang pen Khubor susu ya ka district council kita ki longkat tu ka ni kimat iba ngin sa ai pi ka ni kopi ya ka ni ka por ngin numpen slam su nga khat lang yi barok ki MLA ki NDC ki nong ki candidate bangini yang lang ini apa ya ka dika
Bersyukur bakti meningkat ketua yang kalau kekom syak election autonomous district council KHADC JHADC kong senior working president benar kani ka manifesto kitungi kijuban banyada berpenek bergentir jadi beliau
Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society MSRLS rengkat ke District Mission Management Unit DMMU Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Hakasan tarik rempang kila penlong ya ke district level workshop on PMFME but PM Vishwakarma Scheme ha multipurpose hall DC office. Ya kini ke program la penlong kumshi benta ban sam jing tip syapang kini ki artli ki scheme jong ke sarkar India na ke benta kinong tremon ngobha bakan long ka lat kelenti ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot ha ka imlang salang ki bakan thup ki self help group ki village organization ban apply ban ngothu khambha ya ki jing mentoy bakin yo na kini ki scheme Hakani ke program layo ya kijing pensyai na dbmnU NRLM baar karsentiu ubala ai kijing pensyai shikinong yalam jong ki grup paper hakabaya debat kini ki arteli ki skim. Ula kentu kini ki kenhun ban pentrekam ya ki pisa ba kilayo ban pensngotho bat ya raplem ya ki para dekot ban apply ya kini ki skim.
Dengan nama lahir ini hidup kaum yang kasih alam kaum kisilah leaders presiden sekretari isi membaca kisilah namun mentari namanya contoh office ini kau menurut membagi kisilah apa lagi kami dia bagi skills program contoh office bukan banyak yang kisilah dengan cepat ya kisilah leaders presiden sekretari bagi contoh kisilah dan lagi isi contoh kisilah kami semua yang penting kiama jangan lupa kamu kepada yang office dan betul punya betul lima joki lupa grup yang apa kita sih kan apa ini bagi dia ini pernah sama Taiwan kayak dia ini dan dalam beberapa pernah dengan ada penasmi saya seperti dia ini ikut aja sedap kita seperti saya seperti sedap joki pensyai kisilah joki siapa saja Bosco. Tetapi jika pensyai joki bagi kelas tu lantai pensyai masuk ke link kamsanya aktif banyak ni orang bagi bidang ajar kami tu di kamsanya. Tetapi tak pensyai juga menambah apa menarik kami kita kisah seperti ini aplikasi. Ini opsi kami tak pernah kita dari segi yang mana apa ini segi tidak bisa karena kembali hanya atau negara masalah kembali ke office ini masalah kembali ke khuborkhasi maka kita pakai khuborkhasi juga Swiss kembali ke office Swiss ketika segi aduk mentah
Kipat ba kasnong dura banda kentup yu menteri kepuli puthi rakam Sangma MLA Chokpot Sengchim and Sangma principal ke Chokpot High Secondary School Junil Marak kinong yalam niam bat kinong yalam snong kila le buram hakasan tarik rempang ya uchin ba jembe CH Marak ubala pas haka kerdan beningkong ya ke eksamen Meghalaya Civil Service MCS bala penlong daka MPSC. Uni Samla ulayat lenti daka jing minat top ban penkre ya ke eksamen MCS. Ulayat ho ba ula persyang hadu riu sir ban yakun ya ke eksamen UPSC. Dai lengba ka jing penkre ya ke UPSC ba ula la ban tom ya ke eksamen MCS bala penlong daka MPSC. Ula penpau ba un 3 minat hakikam ki ba en penkamti hu daka jing 3 shitom ban kentiu ya ki pat ba kan ka Jylla. Ula kentui ki para Samla na kilum garo ban pet chakmat ban bu ya ki thong rengkat ki jing tre shitom ban penkre ya lade. Ula ong ban poi syakathong dan kam ban klat lut ki jing sngo bha ki ba penwet ki jing mut ki ba khanglat ban poi syakata kathong. Ki pat ba jong kan nikasnong kila kitbok kit ruang ya uni Samla ha kan nikasngi le keman lang ya ka jing job jong.
Nami grong bana manja Naik kata kata tak sekali kemat bazahan masak ko bade padi barangom sako barang dana kan dana ko kena badalo jebong china jega baga daw dang dako ba ay ko mo kada scan hai achin de drangko ra dona officer bong bong magaba bong bong political leader bong bos kantian bong ye jat ko ra dona jat ni antang mangsa antang angaba jat ni gamjin ane on gelna achin sakantian ya sakpunga Meghalaya doko adok ni skotong nge dala kata no kabisol at sing zakto ni ko baseha sakbango ni sakbridi gemakan full term chief minister gapa rara I mean historic beben PS sama bel signi chief minister ngadi zamano di ba juga ba kadango lok sobane speaker dalga palching ni MP nge India song gemakna jat ni bimango tension ko rabaskan sing skrat na katamat gil Yalangan ang chino kabay sol ni on gaman gam sinonga. Ya gambarang baksana ang chino talon da chino noga ba Miss Jembe sang marak siat marako. Zatna ising begaba gamzen kata dalwat cingna patiha. Banga dedrang zatni gamzenang bang bea. Dalo ay ko mula kata skin.
Pada itu ki Khubor ngelapoi cakap bakun terhadap bangindaya Syambiang Khublai Shibun.